Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my macaroni and cheese. The first thing I'm going to do is boil some water for my macaroni, and once that water comes to a boil, I'm going to add the macaroni and I'm going to let that cook for 10 minutes, and I didn't put any salt in the water. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Next, over medium heat, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter to my pan. If you've never made macaroni and cheese before, you're probably thinking it's hard to make, but it's not. You just need a few ingredients and you're good to go. And once you start making your own, you'll probably never want to go back to buying the one in the box, because this is just so simple and so good. To my melted butter, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of flour, and I'm going to whisk this and I'm going to let this cook for 2 minutes. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there, so come follow me. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 cup of whole milk. I'm going to whisk that a little bit until the flour paste gets mixed in, and you will see it will start to thicken up. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of evaporated milk. Whisk that some more. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 4 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese that I shredded, and 4 ounces of Monterey Jack cheese. I'm not sure how you say that. Some people say Monterey Jack, some say Monterey Jack. I'm not sure. All I know is that it's good cheese. You're going to whisk that until it's all nice and melted. What you'll want to do now is turn off your stove. And it's like perfect timing, because right when I was about to turn off the stove, the macaroni was ready. So I just went ahead and strained it and added it to the pot. Just give that a good stir, and oh my goodness, look at all that cheesy goodness. Oh. I wanted to leave you with this good tip. To reheat your macaroni, add some milk to it. You can add regular milk or evaporated milk, whichever one you have. But just add the milk to it and keep it on the stove or in the microwave, however you want to warm it up. But add the milk to it and keep stirring it, and it will be nice and creamy like you just made it. I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.